turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Remove the power hose from the solenoid valve block. You can do this by just pulling on it. Using multi-grip pliers, squeeze the two edges of the hose clamp to free it from its holding. Then slide it towards the airflow meter using your other hand to help. You can now separate the inlet conduit. You don't need to unplug the connector of the airflow meter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 8 holding screws on the airbox flange. Remove the flange and place it to one side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting the new one in, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. Put the flange back in place. And reconnect the power hose to the solenoid valve block. Rescrew the 8 holding screws. Using multi-grip pliers, put the air inlet conduit back, then the hose clamp. Operation completed.